Welcome to the Millbrook Railroad, and today we are working on the Shady Pines Railroad, doing some work to the track. Now, we're probably going to be pulling this railroad up in a few months, but I figured maybe I'm not quite ready to let go. I mean, it's a nice little railroad, and there's no reason to pull it up right now, and every reason to fix the track. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to fix some damage that was done over the winter when a snowplow sander hit the track, and you can't really blame the guy. It's hard to see when everything's covered in snow, but that's why we call it maintenance. That's why we can fix this. So I've already taken the liberty to remove some of the rotten ties that contributed to the problem, and I put in some fresh ties. And I'm only doing the bare minimum here to get this running again, so follow along. So like I said, I've already pulled out some of the rotten ties here, and I put in some ties that are ready to go, basically. I probably should have filmed that part, but the thought didn't occur to me. Sometimes you get engrossed in a task and you forget something important, like pushing start on the camera. Well, anyway, now that I've got the camera started, I can work on putting this track in gauge. It looks like the problem starts here on this tie, so I'm going to sink some screws in. However long they hold is however long they hold. These are full width 2x4 ties, so I'm going to treat them like they're two ties. There'll be something to attach to somewhere. To be honest, there's not much. Not much left of these screws. Maybe that'll hold just enough. Who knows? Hold just enough or just long enough. Propane truck is come and gone. And time to take out some of this hardware. I'm going to salvage these tie plates out of the old ties. Because we're next to the driveway, I'm making sure I pick up all the screws too. I don't want them to end up in anybody's tire. Well, that's a quick repair of the track here at the Shady Pines Railroad. This isn't the last we'll see of the Shady Pines. We'll be doing some more work here. There's more to be done. And there's probably a few more months of time left on the clock for the Shady Pines Railroad. So, thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. It was kind of a low-key one, but I guess I'm good at low-key videos. So, thanks again for watching. Like, share, subscribe, patreon.com/Millbrook Railroad. And if you want to know more about the Millbrook Railroad, go to millbrookrailroad.com. Thanks for watching.